In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a basic branded thumbnail right from Pixteller up into YouTube. In the other video, I showed you how to create just a basic branded thumbnail, and now we're going to upload that in YouTube right now. My name is Shelton, and thank you for watching this video, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and to grow your brand. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. Now, right now we're into Pixteller. We're gonna get ready to upload this on our YouTube channel. Now, we can make some final adjustments if we need to do that right in Pixteller. So for instance, if I want to go ahead and make this a little bit bigger, just a little bit like to take action. Remember, we're making a take action. Or if I wanted to just change the color just last minute, if I just want to change the color last minute, you can do the final changes right here. And those things do happen, changing last minute things, changing the colors, maybe changing some of the design just last minute. So you can come right into Pixteller, click on the link below to get access to Pixteller. I'm telling you, this is a really simple software that you need to have to brand yourself, especially for beginners. Now, what I'm going to do over here is, here's the title. I'm going to save it. So I'm going to pick Take Action 1. And I'm going to save the image right there. Let me move this if I can show you that. So I'm going to save this as well. And the next thing I'm going to do is download it. And click on download. Now right here, I can go back and edit this. I can share this. So I can actually share this on social media, which is really cool because I can email it to myself, or I can share this to any of my social media platforms. And it also gives you the link, so I can copy this, show it to somebody else if they can go ahead and take a look at it. So what we want to go ahead and do is download it. So we're going to download it. This is actually the specs for it. PNG, to make sure it's PNG when you're doing your downloads. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is you want to go to your YouTube channel. So that's it. Take action. Remember, we did the little take action right there. Now we want to go to the YouTube channel. So I already have the YouTube channel already up already. And let's say I wanted to change this thumbnail image from this. So I would just click on these three dots, change. I look at downloads. So I know I just downloaded. You see the take action and the take action. I could save it, of course, definitely save it, because I can open this up. Hold on, I'll show you. So I can open this up. Let's say if I open this up and save it. I've been looking at downloads in my actually computer, or I can just save it as well. So it doesn't matter which one you decide to do. So if I click here and save as and take action Pixteller, it's on my computer already. So it's a couple of ways how you can do this as well. So on there, I just saved as, and here I can change. I can take it from here, or I can go from here and look for the Pixteller. Take action, take action. Take action right there. See that right there and there, and then also over here, I'll just click here to save it, and that's it. That's all it is. Click here to save it, and that's it. It's all saved. Take action. See that? Simple and really easy. It's uploaded on YouTube already, and it's very, very simple. I can go back to the designer here. Well, that's my other thumbnail. My other thumbnail I was doing. So yeah, absolutely, it's take action. And then now what happens is when I do save this, it's actually going to be part of my templates. So this is already saved. It's part of my templates now. Then what makes it so cool about it is that I can use this. I can reuse this actually thumbnail. I can reuse this thumbnail and say, I can change the name. I can say, instead of take action, I can say, let's go, make an example. Let's check this out. Let's say I wanted to change the color. So I wanted to change the color. I wanted to keep the same design, but just change the color a little bit, maybe a little bit of red or a little bit of green, and just move this a little bit to up there. See how cool that is? Okay. Keep the same thing. And then I can say, change it. Let's go. At the top there. So I'll move this, and then I'll save this. So I'm gonna do another one here. See how simple and easy this is. So, and then I just download it Remember, we did the let's go, download it again, and then download PNG, step by step. I can go right to the channel again. Find that, let's go. And then go to downloads or save it, either one. Let's go. See that? See how simple that is? All I have to do is click on save and it's already there. And check this out. When it's uploaded on YouTube and it's saved in here, I just go back to my templates and I have 2 copies. I have 2 copies right here. So it's that simple and that easy. I mean, I'm telling you, just Pixteller does make things simple and easy. You can download it, you can edit it, and really just play around with it. Don't worry, just play around with Pixteller. When you click on the link below and you get access to Pixteller, just play around with it, have some fun with it. And really, it's really your sense of your imagination when you're uploading thumbnails to your YouTube channel, and step by step. And YouTube makes it really easy, and the specs makes it really easy. The width and the height and everything. I mean, you can come in here, you can change this around, you can change a little bit more of the definition and things like that. So that's why I wanted to show you on this video how to upload branded custom thumbnails on YouTube, on your YouTube channel. Very simple and very easy. Very, very easy. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. And I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the link below to get access to Pixteller. Let me show you one more thing. I think there's one more thing I want to show you. I think that was it. That was it, really. I was going to show you the Pixteller. Yes, I was going to show you the Pixteller Pro Tools. When you actually get access to Pro Tools, you'll get these here. You want this. Unlimited graphic images, easy to use graphic editors. Download as many as possible. $7 a month, $84 a year. I have this part here, but I'm telling you, this is something you want to go ahead and do. Take advantage of this unbelievable opportunity. You get all this here. You get all the photos. You get a lot of photos that you can use. You also get the transparent PNGs, which is really, really good. You want the transparent photos. You get the shapes, you get the colors, you get the emanations, you get the templates. You get 100,000 templates to use. So take advantage of the Pro or the Diamond package. I have those as well because I use this on a regular basis. I also use Photoshop as well. But Pixteller is definitely a very easy software for beginners. So click on the link below and I'll see you on the next video.